Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I went from this to that to this, all in this video. I purchased this mannequin head from Amazon and it came broken just like this. So I'm going to show you a quick way on how you can save this mannequin head without throwing it away and still reuse it. So you need some scissors, a knife, and some straws, 2 straws. So you're going to cut a middle part in the middle of the mannequin bottom piece and line it up to the side. And then you're going to poke a hole in there with your dominant straw, the straw that you're going to use at the end. And you're going to try to get as much of that styrofoam out of it. But really right now what you're doing is just trying to gauge just to make sure that you're looking at the height from the top to the bottom so that they can stay together so that it doesn't flop on over. So the next thing that we're going to do now, we're going to take the knife and we're going to poke that hole in there. And once we've gotten that hole poked all the way through so that the straw can stay in, we're going to mesh those together so that it will stay together. That's the whole point. You're going to cut this piece of straw. When you cut this piece of straw, you're going to put that in. And remember, this is just the one that we're going to use just to make sure that it fits and that it was done correctly. Now we have a longer piece. We put that in there and we just dig it down in there. And then, as you can see, it's still flimsy. It's not holding, but we know that we're on the right track and we're not going to throw it away and we're not going to waste any money on today. So we're going to cut our straw that we're going to be using to hold this together. We're going to take the old straw out and we're going to put the permanent straw inside. And all you have to do is just push it down and just give it a really, really nice nudge. Push it down, push it in together. And as you see that it's doing what it's supposed to do, push it in a little bit. Now that you see that it's done, let's turn it around. And we're going to take some duct tape, scotch tape. We're going to tape it so we'll definitely know that it will not move. I did this maybe about 3 or 4 times, I think. Yeah, I think it was about 3 or 4 times just to make sure that I could secure it and that it would not move. Because when I put on a wig and when I'm combing the wig, I want to make sure that it doesn't flop over. So go the extra mile. It won't hurt. Now it's nice and sturdy. Yeah, we've got something going here. So different angles, as you can see. It's together. It's going to hold. And here we go. Voila. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, share, and comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.